All right. So welcome back. Welcome back to this channel. So since this channel has started, we have been learning about different machine learning, different deep learning researches. We have been learning about different cool deep learning projects and cool deep learning like all the abilities of deep learning, like what these powerful neural networks are able to accomplish. But one thing that I have missed in this channel, and a lot of a lot of resources that you take miss this one thing that is very important, the basics, of course. So in this video I just want to share some courses or some certifications that I have done, and also some on the internet that are worth it, that have real good value in them. Maybe even if you want even if you want to maybe pay for the certifications, to actually get good grip of the basics, and to actually understand everything better, and in an organized manner. Like you hear on the internet that you don't have to take a organized course or something. You just go to read a lot. you know internet in internet, this is actually an idea that is being propagated. But I would recommend you, like, whenever you are learning the basics, just to take one or two courses, and like the basics, what the basics of that field are. Like when it comes to deep learning also, you have to take like one or two courses in this field to learn about the basics. And after that, when you're actually like completely completely empowered, or should I say, if you are completely aware of the basics, if you are completely good in the basics, then you can actually go on to read research papers, maybe implement research papers on, go read articles, and maybe just do anything. You can consume any type of content after you are very good with the basics. Because in any field, basics is the most important thing. Even when you want to like implement research papers, you have to know about different resources to deepen your understanding. So first, I want to start with a website called Udemy. You know it, right? It's like, you know a very common website. But I want to tell you one thing, that courses are not mandatory to do. Like, there is a lot of free content on YouTube. I mean, even my channel. I don't want to like advertise my channel now, right? But there is a lot of value for free. But if you want to really like have like a certificate and make sure that you are there is I think it's a psychology trait, or something. But if you pay for something, then you would really use the service really good. So therefore, just pay for a course. Maybe like these are not like huge numbers to pay, like simply 300 400 rupees, especially on Udemy. And Coursera, you can access courses for free or something. I'll talk about them. So when it comes to Udemy, like, these courses are like very cheap, and you could actually buy them. So I'll go from the last course I bought to the first. These are the courses that I bought. I will just show you the courses that I have brought, and some of the good courses in um, every field that you will be covering, since from the basics. Uh, not only in the field of machine learning and deep learning, but also the overall field of software development. Of course, will not be. Of course, the courses are, after doing the course, it doesn't mean that you are good in that specific field, but it means that you are that you have the potential to maybe be expert in that particular field. You can actually understand the basics and all that. So these are the courses that I took. There might be some courses that I have not completed. Right. So first I took the C programming course. I think it is in 2019 or something. Yeah, 2019 or something. After the course, so it teaches the C programming language. And to be honest, this course was pretty good. I don't know why I rated that. Why I have rated that less, but the course was pretty good. Right, it was a very good course. It taught me like the basic programming and all that. The instructor also was pretty good. I don't actually remember anything that I have learned in that course, or even maybe the photo image of the person, because it is pretty before. It was way back. Right, I took this course first, and this is a very good C programming course. And then right after I took the C programming, like C language, I have used like YouTube to learn about Python, and took this data science and machine learning course, which is not like I don't think it is complete, right? It says like complete 2022 data science and machine learning bootcamp, but there are much better courses. I wouldn't say this is very bad, but I would say there are much better courses online that you could take. So I'll just cover them all. And I did this web development course also, web development bootcamp, which is a very good course to like learn about web development. I learned very little of that. Even though it says like 73%, I probably covered like 30% or 40% of the material. And then I did this course completely by like called Steel, modern Python bootcamp, which is a very good one. And this is a exercise, or this is like a bunch of assignments. You have like 250 Python exercises, also a very good one. And then then basically everything is like deep learning related, machine learning. After this, like this is the best course. I could say this is the best course on like machine learning for basics. Like if you want to learn the basics of machine learning, this is a very good course. I'll also we'll also be looking at some machine learning courses. We'll just search for machine learning and see what courses you'll have. Maybe I'll just go through the material, right, for you to buy, or yeah, or maybe buy, right? And then this is like mathematics for machine learning. This is also like, I think this is a free course. This is deep learning, very good one. This is also a good course. This is not actually very advanced, but good course. This one, like basically everything is like deep learning from then on. Yeah, and one digital marketing, and reinforcement learning, like advanced computer vision, GANs, and all that. So let's see, right? So that those are the courses that I have done on like Udemy, the platform of Udemy. So now I think we'll just go through some machine learning courses online, and let's just go through the material and see whether they're like covering every topic or not. Right? If you just search for machine learning, I think the first option would be this course. Yeah, I have did this course. Right. First we'll open this one, and then this one. Yeah, we'll basically look at first two courses to see how good they are, and maybe compare them. So this is the course that I have done. I've bought it on like September 8, 2020. Right. So yeah, it is a pretty old course, and it has like 42 hours of video. So a lot of material. And again, one thing I want to stress is that more material doesn't mean that you would gain more value. Sometimes there is a lot of repetition, like not for this one. I think they have covered everything pretty good, and there is even like coding exercises, which like when I was doing this course, there's no like coding exercises. Like it was pretty old when I was doing it. So yeah, as you can see, there are like many sections. We'll probably see what they're covering and all that. So first, data pre-processing, how to pre-process data. Like, and thing is, this course also teaches Python and R. Like R is another programming language. If you're not if you don't know about R, like don't worry, it is not any better than Python. At at least of my knowledge related to deep learning. I think R is used for more like statistics and data analysis. I think maybe I should also learn it. No, I'm not aware of that, right? I mean, you could even take like one part. You could take like the data pre-processing in Python, and just leave the R part. I mean, if you want to learn about R also, you could also go to that content also. You can also go to that content. So there is like they teach classification, and I mean, like I think this course taught me all of the basics of machine learning, like almost all of the basics, right? They also cover deep learning, but very like less content, very less content. Like uh there is no like this course is machine learning, and machine learning is actually a very big field, and which consists of deep learning. So there are like many algorithms they should cover, and it's a very good course, but like it covers more on the basic side rather than just like it is very basic, I would say. but a very good course definitely is recommended. It has about about a million students, which is huge. I know. And let's get to the second course. Again, don't worry about the prices. Don't worry about the prices. It like even this price is actually pretty high. So like there will be like offers. I think for some seasons, maybe for Christmas and some festivals, Diwali or something. You could they'll get to something about 200, 300 or something. Then you can buy them, right? So this is another course by I think yeah, Daniel Bork. He's a great, I think a great teacher, especially on YouTube. He has a very good YouTube channel and teaches deep learning. I have learned a lot from him. So even him, I think like I haven't took this course. I think this is a very pretty new course. Yeah, I think this is a new course. Maybe I didn't took it. So this course also I think teaches like machine learning, but even this course also teaches machine learning, and but I don't see a lot of machine learning algorithms. I mean, like this course spends a lot of time on machine learning algorithms, like the basic machine learning algorithms that maybe you should read, maybe you should learn about, like that like maybe it will help. So this course does not actually, I don't think, covers a lot of machine learning algorithms. Maybe it covers more on the practical side, I believe. Like you could take like whatever you want. But if you ask me to learn about the basics, which is the best course, I would definitely recommend this one, because even I have learned from that. You can actually learn about the basics, even though there is a lot of content. You don't like you don't have to like go through all of the content, right? You could skip like the R parts. You can only learn about the Python section. You can skip R, or even go through R and skip Python. I think they have also added like ChatGPT bonus, like for the newcomers. So definitely go through that course. And coming to deep learning, I mean, you don't even have to like take a deep learning course separately. I mean, I have like a very good recommendation that you should do. So in Udemy, this is a very good course, I believe. This is also by like the same man, Daniel Borg, right? So this yeah, this basically, this is also very, I think is going to be a very good course. I haven't take this one, but it also covered the basics of PyTorch, model development, neural networks, computer vision, transfer learning, and all that. Even paper replicating, how to build papers. So definitely recommendable. But I have a very good recommendation, which I'm going to show to you in just a while, which is a very famous course. I'll just show you that course in just a minute. And this is also a very good course. I have done this course. All right. So this is also, yeah, a pretty good course. I have took this course like October 22. I mean, like, if you want to learn about the basics of again, the basics of deep learning, this is a very good course to learn. Like even they teach about autoencoders, which is actually pretty good. And they also teach about RNNs, CNNs, and ANNs. So essentially, ANNs refers to like single neuron models for normal vector or matrix data. CNNs refer to like convolutional models for image data. CNNs, you know about that, right? RNNs refer to, you also know about that. If you are following my channel, right? RNN refers to like modeling on time series data. I'll give an example for all three fields. So ANN, the example for ANN is, for example, you have like maybe like company data, maybe a lot of data, lots of data, uh, like maybe corresponding to different companies. For example, your company has like a lot of data, and maybe you want to make sense out of that data, or even build models to predict some values that are dependent on that data. Then you could use the CNNs. So CNNs refers to image classification, mainly image classification, but also used in different fields and different papers. So the CNNs are like very much used in like even in diffusion models and all that. Even when you go like way high, way newest research, CNNs are used either in like eh, something that are related to image data. And RNNs are like models for like sequential data. For example, predict the next stock prices. For example, you have if you have like a lot of stock data from the last 5 years, then you could use this data of the last 5 years stock prices and predict the next 5 years using this RNN. And also a very good thing. And you have also a bunch of, like, these are the basics that you will be needing to learn. And also you have like bunch of extra models that you could like not covered on like complete depth, but I think pretty good course. And also this is actually this is the PyTorch one. I also already covered that. But if you really want to learn about deep learning, I have a course for you, which is, I think, one of the best, like one of the from not one of the, but the best course or the best specialization on deep learning. I think I have gave it away in which website this course. I think you could just guess maybe the course. So it is none other than like the Coursera's deep learning course by Andrew Ng. So if you don't know about Andrew Ng, well, he's a man who has taught deep learning and machine learning for a lot of people, and he has a machine learning course. He also has a machine learning course, yes, in which he teaches. So if you just search for like machine learning, so he has recently launched a machine learning course, right, in which he has like uh he has collaborated with Stanford University. I think he has he actually has like a very old course which I have done, very old course, like 1999 or something. He has a course again collaborated with Stanford University. I have done that course, which is actually very mathematical and very good, that old course. But he have actually uh, changed that again to actually make a very friendly beginner level and very good course, machine learning specialization. But that is not our main thing, right? We have like a lot of things to learn machine learning. Again, if you want, you can just take this course for free also. Click on this enroll button, and you can just select I think, no, sorry. So what you could do is you can just click on courses, right? These are the three courses. So this is actually a specialization. It consists of three courses. You can just go to the first course. You can just go click the link of the first course, and you can just directly go to course or audit the course. I'll just show you how to do that. For example, second course, you just click on this advanced learning algorithms, right? And what you should do is you can just click on enroll for free, and you click on audit button. Audit means actually doing the course for free. You'll not get a certificate, but you could just do it for free. And even if you want, you could actually buy this course for like you will get charged for each month. So each month it is 2,679 for this course, right? So you have like a good you could get a certificate if you pay for that course. So the best course, in my opinion, to learn deep learning is the deep learning specialization by Coursera, by deeplearning.ai, again taught by Andrew Ng. So this is one of the best course that I would definitely recommend you to take, which is also completely free. You can actually go, like, there are like 5 courses, right? The first course, you learn about neural networks and deep learning, right? I'll just go through that. This is like the first course. Like if you just go through the modules, what they are, right? You'll get an introduction to deep learning. You'll like learn about the neural networks basics, some shallow neural networks to build neural networks with many features, and also deep neural networks to build neural networks with many layers. That is models that are able to capture much, right? And here you learn about neural networks to building neural networks that have many layers, that are deeper, that can capture much more complex features, right? Very good syllabus. And in the second course, you learn about like many things that are very, very, very important in my opinion, to like hyperparameter tuning, regularization, and optimization, right? How all of this works. So you learn about like the practical and aspects of deep learning. You learn about the regularization, what that is, dropout, overfitting. I have also covered this but like in a very smaller manner. But definitely this course will equip you with many basics. You learn about like many different optimization algorithms, and also some methods you could perform to improve the performance of your model by tuning the hyperparameters, adding more and more layers, and Also, like until here, all the, like, in the course, in the course below, before, in the before course, you'll only be building neural networks in like pure Python, I think. Now here you'll start using TensorFlow, right, here in this course. And after that, after this course, second course, you have like how to structure machine learning projects, also like pretty practical stuff, right? You learn about, I think, some details, actually, to make your, to build your projects in a much more planned way, in much more efficient way. Definitely you want to take it, you could take it. And again, all these courses are like for free. You can actually do them for free, and I've actually did this course. I have finished this course. I'll just show you certificate. Again, I do learn about CNNs and sequence models. Sequence models is nothing but RNNs. What they are, I'll just look at the material for you. So I've done this course. So this is my like I have read it, the deep learning specialization. You know, because I'm telling this by experience, because even I was not that aware of the field. I was just like pretty bored and just want to learn this. And this course is actually, like, I think anyone can actually understand this if they have like interest, and they could put in enough time. Right. So in this course, CNN course of the deep learning specialization, you learn about like what are CNNs. In the first module, you learn about different case studies, and then directly you learn about object detection and some more applications such as face recognition and neural style transfer, which I think I will cover in a future video or in a future playlist about neural style transfer. It's not actually very good, very big idea, but a very intuitional one. And in the final course of the deep learning specialization, we learn about sequence modeling, sequence models. Here also you learn about RNNs, NLP, word embeddings, and sequence model, and also attention mechanism. And I think you know about attention mechanism. So essentially, all the current language models, such as ChatGPT, or even like all GPTs, and also the Bard, Google Bard, all these run on the attention mechanism. All the chatbots that you know about, they run on attention mechanism using the transformer neural network. We have also covered that in this in my channel. But like, you could learn all of them from this course, so which is a good one, right? After doing this course, you would have like a pretty good grip in the field of deep learning. You actually take this course. It's a very good one. And then after learning deep learning, if you are interested in like language, like natural language processing, the same company of Andrew Ng, deeplearning.ai, that have which created this course, has another course called natural language processing. Again, another very good course. It's another very good course. You could just go to the course. I have also done this course. I have done this course also. Right, you learn about like different natural language processing applications, on also different techniques and all that. It's a very good one. You learn about sentiment analysis, machine translation, right? Also NLP with probabilistic models, what they are, right? You'll learn about, right? You'll know about autocorrection, autocomplete, and word embeddings. And also you learn about using RNNs to actually use RNNs to solve the problems of natural language processing. Essentially, you learn about them from the basics to a very good level, to a very good degree. You can actually understand natural language processing, and this final course is completely completely teaches the attention mechanism, right? You learn about machine learning, neural machine translation, text summarization, question answering, and chatbot. And you actually build a chatbot, I think, which will definitely not be that good, right? So these are the courses that I would definitely recommend you to check out. Like, all of these are for free, right? You can just use them, go and get them for free. And I think, and I think these are very good courses that you could take. And also I think I have also one course that I have took, which is called the AI for Medicine course. I think this one, AI for Medicine. If you are looking to develop your like your ability to like use AI for different applications, and this is a very good course, right? You'll actually do a very deep case study in medical applications, to use AI for medical applications. It's a very good course also. If for medical diagnosis, prognosis, and treatment, you'll know about different techniques and all that. After learning about deep learning, you could actually go for AI for medicine specialization. And I've also done like some courses, some from like Google, from deep learning AI, Git and GitHub, right? Python. Like I think I've done a pretty good amount of courses. And also, if you want to learn more about Python, better into Python development, I have this one course which is very good, which I haven't took this course, but this is a very good one. Like I have like covered like some parts of it. Even though it is like I think this is a very good course, Python for everybody. You learn about different software development lessons from this, for Python. So also, this is also a very good lesson resource. And if you want to like improve your like ability to solve problems, especially in software development, I would definitely recommend you a website called hackerrank.com. Essentially, you can just go through the website. It is a website in which you will be given many programming problems, right? And after you have learned like any programming language, for example, you learn Python. After that, you could actually go here, sign up as with your Google account, and you could actually solve different problems, and maybe earn some credit for it. You could actually put this account on your resume or something, and it's actually pretty useful, right? So these are the main resources I think that will be useful for you to learn about the basics. And if you are like, even though if you have been following me since the beginning, I would say that definitely take a course, any one of this course. I'll probably try in the future, maybe to teach you the basics, but for now I will cover the research papers and all that. I mean, you could definitely understand them if you are like fair knowledge in deep learning. I mean, you definitely could. But I would definitely recommend you to take at least one of the courses. Just take the deep learning specialization for free, and after that you could actually come to me, or even come to any. You could go to the internet, the whole big school of internet, and like read a lot, like code a lot, right? You could actually build many cool applications and all that. Definitely. So that's it for this video, right? Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one. So yeah.